Good evening from Cooking Conspiracy. Let's make some garlic bread. Take your bread, cut it in half. If it's a loaf, if it's hot dog buns, bread, it doesn't matter. It'll work. Just get it out there. Now, grate some Parmesan, because you can't have cheesy bread without cheese. You know, that's some deep logic there. I hope you can keep up. There you go, grate it up pretty good. Now, slice your butter. I like to use pats. You could melt it beforehand or even use olive oil, but this works for me. And then I just coat the bread evenly, so when I toast it, the butter goes all into the bread and it's beautiful. There you go. I hit it with that garlic powder. Most of the time I like fresh garlic. Garlic bread is an exception. I use garlic powder. Works much better. What's next? Oh, that cheese I was talking about earlier? Yeah, put that Parmesan on. Ladle it on thick, sprinkle it, whatever, I don't know. I don't know what to do with my hands. There you go. I think that's enough though, that should be good. Now for this bread, I'm putting it in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. If you got thinner bread, it'll be less. If you like it a little bit thicker or toastier, it'll be long. Figure it out. But yeah, 15 minutes later, I pull out on time, as always. Oh, yeah. Slide it off. Oh, yeah. That looks like it's going to have some good crunch. Listen to that. I don't believe in putting green things on bread, so I didn't. Enjoy.